Hello, what is up? And today I'm going to solve a Rubik's Cube in a tree. Yep, this is one of my accomplishments on my bucket list. So, here we go. I have the first side and the first layer done. Now I have the first and the second layer solved. Alright, now I have a plus sign on the yellow side. And it's solved. Well, that's me solving Rubik's Cube in a tree. Where else should I solve it? Put it in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.